final ghost house of the game. Let's turn it. Stand on this because it moved. Be careful though. I really have nothing to say here. So, I don't know if I said this yet, but there's the special worlds of this game, and I don't know if I should do them, because it's a whole nother half of this game. So it's same amount of levels, same amount of everything, just more challenge. And I don't know if you guys would like to see them. Cause that would be 97 uploads, I think, before my next walkthrough. So, just tell me if you think I should do a special world. Anyway, in here, Starman, pick it up, get free Tanuki, and 1-up. As well as a Starman. Now, be careful for these, though. I believe they were in Super Mario World. Same with Boos, if you attack them, they go invisible for you to bypass. And be careful for that big Boo. Stare at them and stand where the coin is. And if you're doing special worlds, this is sort of a guide for you for one of the star medals. Cause basically it's a mirror. Only you get a 1-up from this one. Which I have 191 I don't need anymore. So I guess I'll be seeing you guys next time for 8-5.